The Chennai OMR corridor runs parallel to ECR Entertainment Corridor. There are many critical localities along this stretch. The prominent ones are Sholinganallur, Thoraipakkam and Karapakkam. Hi, welcome to Locality Review. To explore and discuss this locality further, I have with me our Chennai partner, Mr. V. Nagarajan with me. Mr. Nagarajan, tell us about the key drivers of the locality.
See, Sholinganallur is strategically located on the IT corridor phase 1. Being close to the several IT parks, it is a strategic location, and the key drivers are the connectivity to various parts of the city. Moreover, it is also linked to the entertainment corridor, that is ECR. There are eateries, shopping malls, and retail shops. So all these things drive the people towards investment in Sholinganallur.
Tell us about the roads, the main roads of Chennai it is connected to.
Sholinganallur is on the first phase of the IT corridor, and it is also connected to the ECR entertainment corridor and the airport to various ring roads. See, the neighborhood localities are Perungudi, where a big World Trade Center is coming. Then it is parallel to the ECR corridor, that is where the entertainment corridor we call it, closer to the beach. So it is well connected. There are buses, autos, and even in fact luxury buses. Then the taxis are playing round the clock.
Is there any infrastructure development which is coming up, which is going to have its own impact on the real estate market of the locality?
They are going to build a metro, part of the second phase plan, which will connect to the Siriseri in the IT corridor, passing through Sholinganallur. And moreover, the Chennai Metropolitan Development Authority is planning to build 6 grid roads between the IT corridor and the entertainment corridor. There are 2 mega projects worth mentioning in this area. One is the World Trade Center to be built by Brigade Group. It is a 1.8 million square foot, 28 storage structure, which is coming up in Perungudi, close to Sholinganallur. Another one is in Taramani, built by DLF IT Park on 27 acre of land. That is a 6.8 million square foot IT park.
So tell us about the major companies which are easily accessible from this locality.
Sholinganallur is very close to the SEZ Park, where the Wipro, HCL and others are located. And beyond that, you have the Infosys, lot of TCS complexes, then Standard Chartered Bank's back office. Then farther away, it is a big 1,650 acres of Siriseri IT Park, where several IT parks are, IT companies are located.
The profile of buyers, what kind of people who are looking to buy in this locality?
Predominantly, it is dominated by the techies. So this is a job hub for IT corridor, IT sector people, and then business people, then investors.
The civic infrastructure in this locality, water and electricity, is it well in place?
Yeah, it is part of the city now, and Chennai Metropolitan Development Authority has initiated several measures. Water facility, then you have the light, then 24/7.
Are there any congestion points?
Yes, Sholinganallur is a major congestion point because it is connecting both to the entertainment corridor, ECR, and another way, the parallel road is going to the 200 feet radial road. So it is a major strategic congestion point, and they are trying to build a flyover and other grid roads to ease the congestion.
One last question, Mr. Nagarajan. Safety is another major aspect which any consumer look for while buying a property in any location. Tell us about the security and safety of this area.
See, it is a well-lit road because it is a strategic IT corridor road. There are always people moving. There are 3 shifts working. So the connectivity is really available round the clock. Private conveyance vehicles like autos, minivans, share autos, these are all playing really 24/7 because the shift people are working. 3 shifts are working. So there is always a people's movement. So police are taking extra precaution by patrolling the streets.
Magic Bricks data shows that the locality offers mix of multi-story apartment and builder floors. However, the supply of multi-story apartment is more in this locality. It stands at 87%. For builder floor, it is at 13%. Under this, you'll find 2, 3 and 4 BHK option. The supply of 2 BHK stands at 38%, while 3 BHK is maximum in supply. It stands at 56%, and for 4 BHK, it is merely at 6%. Consumers here are either searching for a 3 BHK or a 2 BHK property. The demand for 2 BHK stands at 45%. For 3 BHK, it's at 54%. The remaining 2% of consumers are looking for a 4 BHK option. A 2 BHK property is available in the sizes of 600 to 1500 square foot. The price ranges between 35 lakh to 93 lakhs. For a 3 BHK of sizes between 1100 to 2000 square foot, the price ranges between 55 lakh to 1.3 crore. And for a 4 BHK, which is available in the size range of 1950 square foot to 2550 square foot, the price starts from 95 lakh and goes up to 1.72 crore. If you're looking for a property on rent, you will have to shell out between 19,000 to 32,000 monthly in this locality. Top developers present in this locality are Adroit Urban Developers, BSCPL Infrastructure, Casa Grande Builders, Lanco Holdings, Prestige Estate Projects and many more.
Mr. Nagarajan, Thoraipakkam, where exactly it is placed on Chennai map?
See, Thoraipakkam comes in the first phase of the IT corridor, right from Madhya Kailash to Siruseri. And Thoraipakkam is strategically placed because it connects the 200 feet radial road, Thoraipakkam Pallavaram road also, and it has links to the ECR corridor also.
Which are the neighboring localities of this location?
Neighboring localities are Perungudi, Kottivakkam on the IT corridor, this side Taramani, then Thiruvanmiyur.
What are the key drivers of this locality?
See, the ecosystem is already well in place, and there are improved connectivity levels to other areas of the city, and moreover proximity to Taramani, then Tidal Park, Elcott, then Tata Housing Infrastructure. So all these really make the location a key driver for investment. Moreover, there are roads which are connecting to malls, retail outlets and multiplex also. The seashore is nearby, that is very through the link road of ECR.
This is one of the luxurious locality?
It is coming up very well because it is really connecting the city also. It is at the entrance of the corridor, and so the prices are picking up. It's becoming slowly expensive.
Which are the upcoming infrastructure projects which are going to impact the real estate market of this locality?
Yeah, there are three significant factors that need a special mention here. One is the Metro Corridor 3, which is a 45.8 kilometer line starting from Madhavaram and ending at Sipcot Siriseri Park. That is likely to be completed by 2026 if all things go well. Second is the flyover. The Greater Chennai Corporation plans to build 6 bridges connecting the OMR corridor to ECR corridor. So, on the lay a grid of roads, and the CMDA, Chennai Metropolitan Development Authority, will really take care of the expansion of the connecting roads. So that will ease the congestion also. Moreover, another important point is the road widening work that has been undertaken on the Thoraipakkam Pallavaram road, which is a 200 feet radial road. All these are the proposed infrastructures. If it goes well, then it will really ease the congestion on this corridor.
What about the safety and security of this locality? Is this locality a safe place to stay?
Yeah, it is a safe place because 1.5 lakh IT guys, techies are commuting every day on this road. There are a lot of eateries, retail outlets. There are police booths at strategic locations. Yeah, a number of residential complexes also, including some township development. So it is always well lit, and there are 24/7 commuting facilities are available.
You mentioned about their IT employees who are commuting day in day out through this locality. Which are the nearest commercial companies or the hubs which are easily accessible from this locality?
See, Thoraipakkam is very close to the Tidal Park, then Tata Infrastructure, then Asandas, Elcott, and moreover there is a big World Trade Center coming up in Perungudi, which is also very close to Thoraipakkam.
What about the civic infrastructure in Thoraipakkam? Water supply is adequate here?
Yeah, number of residential townships that have been built on this corridor come with the sewage treatment plant. See, the desalination plant at Nemili, which is on the ECR corridor, the second phase has been taken up for implementation, so that will supply the water also.
What about the electricity? Is there any frequent power cuts being faced?
No, there is no dearth of electricity as far as Chennai is concerned now, and there are a lot of backup power available.
Magic Bricks data shows that the locality offers mix of multi-story apartment and builder floors. However, the supply of multi-story here is far greater as compared to builder floor, which stands at 70%, and for builder floor it is at 30%. Under this you will find 1, 2, 3 and 4 BHK options. The supply of 3 BHK is maximum at 48%, for 2 BHK it's at 41%, and the supply of 1 and 4 BHK it's at par at 6%. As per Magic Bricks data, the demand for 3 BHK is maximum in the locality. It stands at 47%. The next most preferred property type is the 2 BHK option. The demand for that stands at 38%. While for 1 BHK it's at 9% and for 4 BHK it's at 5%. 1 BHK is available in the sizes of 550 square feet to 600 square feet. Price starts from 28 lakhs and goes up to 44 lakhs. A 2 BHK is being offered between 750 square feet and goes up to 1300 square feet. For that, one has to shell out between 36 lakhs to 1 crore. 3 BHKs here are in the sizes between 1200 square feet to 1800 square feet. The price ranges between 60 lakh to 1.4 crore. And a 4 BHK is available in the sizes of 1800 square feet to 2250 square feet. The price ranges between 1 crore to 1.8 crore. For those who are looking for rental returns in the locality, they can expect between 20,000 to 34,000 monthly. Consumers here are mostly preferring between 2 BHK to 3 BHK. Prominent developers in the localities are A Square Constructions, Akshaya Builders, Bharat Building Construction Private Limited, Bhagyam Construction, Seabros Property Development, Elegant Constructions, Jain Housing and Construction Limited, and many more.
Mr. Nagarajan, tell us about the location of this locality, where exactly it is placed.
Yeah, Thoraipakkam is in between Sholinganallur and Perungudi, or Thoraipakkam you can say. It is in the first phase of IT corridor, and it's a well-developed locality with connectivity to all areas of the city. There are multiple transportation facilities available, access to malls, multiplex and retail outlets, access to schools, hospitals, colleges, makes the location a strategic one and ideal one for living.
What about the main roads through which one can access this locality?
See, it is located on the first phase of the IT corridor, that is a 6-lane expressway, and it's also connected to ECR on the left side and 200 feet radial road, Pallavaram Thoraipakkam road.
Which are the major IT companies within the 5 kilometers of radius of this locality?
Elcott, ACZ, Capgemini, Cognizant.
Let's talk about the safety and security of the locality. What about the street lights and the police patrolling? Is this locality safe?
Yeah, this locality is safe because it is really bristling with activity every day, with 1.5 lakh techies commuting every day. And there are police booths. Moreover, there are a lot of township projects which the developers have done that, and it has got 24/7 maintenance services, security services. All these things are there.
Any infrastructure which is going to come up in another 2 to 5 years that's going to have the impact on the real estate market of the locality?
Yeah, there are two major projects. One is the Metro Corridor 3, which is a 45.8 kilometer long line from Madavaram in northern Chennai to Siriseri IT Park on the IT corridor. That is likely to be completed by the year 2026. Another one is the Greater Chennai Corporation plans to build 6 bridges and flyovers and also lay a grid of roads. The Chennai Metropolitan Development Authority will explore expanding the connected roads at different locations. And CMDA, the Chennai Metropolitan Development Authority, will explore expanding the connectivity of the roads at various locations.
Mr. Nagarajan, tell us about what kind of people who are looking to buy in Thoraipakkam.
Yeah, predominantly techies because a lot of technology IT parks are lying on the IT corridor. So they are the major buyers because the ecosystem is already in place and the commuting also is possible. Other than that, uh, the supporting staff, returning NRIs, investors, they are the major buyers. They are the other profile of the buyers.
What about the civic infrastructure of the locality? Tell us about the electricity and the water supply. Is it adequate?
Yeah, it is adequate because groundwater is available and there is a desalination plant at Nemili on ECR Entertainment Corridor which connects the IT corridor also. The government plans to bring water from the desalination plant at Nemili. So the township projects, they developed by various developers on the IT corridor where the Korapakam is located, has got its own sewage treatment plant. Moreover, 24 by 7 power backup, then STP facilities are there. So there is a whole lot of civic infrastructure facilities available.
What type of properties are available here and which price bracket?
So the price range varies from 4,000 to 6,000 rupees per square foot. This again depends on the location, developer, specification and other amenities offered in the projects.
As per Magic Bricks data, this locality majorly offers multi-story apartment. Its supply stands at 86%. The remaining 14% of supply is of a builder floors here. Under this, you'll find 1, 2 and 3 BHKs. While the supply of 2 and 3 BHK is 43%, for 1 BHK it is at 13%. And from demand perspective, consumers here are mostly preferring a 2 BHK property. The demand stands at 49%. For 3 BHK, it's at 31%, and for 1 BHK, it's at 21%. 1 BHK apartment of size between 500 square feet to 600 square feet is available in the price of 28 lakh to 37 lakh. And a 2 BHK of sizes between 900 square feet to 1300 square feet is available in the price bracket of 40 lakh to 72 lakhs. And 3 BHKs are available in the sizes of 1250 square feet to 1950 square feet. The price starts from 66 lakh and goes up to 1 crore. If you're looking for a rented accommodation here, you'll have to shell out between 15,000 to 25,000 monthly. Prominent developers here are Adroit Urban Developers, Bhagyam Construction, Casa Grande Builders and Doshi Housing.
So a quick wrap up. All these three localities are situated within the 5 kilometers of the distance. These localities are situated along OMR, which gives them the easy access to IT companies of the city. Safety and security in all these three localities are good. Civic infrastructure like electricity and water supply are adequate here. Since these localities are situated along the IT corridor, public transport is not an issue here. Upcoming road infrastructure and metro connectivity will be a key drivers for all these three localities. And yes, all these three localities offer property in the wide range that can easily fit in your budget.